This is a channeled message from Divine. I channeled this and so I want to share it with you. This message is for all Divine Feminines and it is channeled through the collective energy of the Divine Masculine. And often people will say to me, what is that book you are reading? I am not reading it. It is my gratitude journal. So you can buy these online. I use it for notes, for me channeling things, for me taking things that come through Divine, and being able to share it with you. So this is a message from Divine Masculine. Our connection is not something that will ever leave. As you are me and I am you, we are one. My silence is not the end. In the silence is where we, one, transform. In the silence, I slowly see what you saw in me. I allow myself to become over and over. I do not fear you, Divine Feminine. I do not fear you. But what I do fear is what you trigger in me. What you make me see. What you make me see what I have run from all my life, in every lifetime. And what you awaken within me, the love, the depths of the love that you awaken within me that I never ever knew existed within me. Your energy awakens my vulnerability, that vulnerability that I have tried to repress, but now I can no longer repress that vulnerability. All that I can do now and all that happens now is that love, that repression, that fear is now imploding within me. I have no way of escaping it. So the only way I can deal with it is to escape you out of fear of more imploding within me. My silence is not the distance. It's the only way, Divine Feminine, I know how to survive right now. But now, I can't even escape it. So I must now slow down the connection, slow down our engagement. It was never the end, it was never the goodbye. It was simply a pause so I could breathe. Remember, and this comes direct from Divine, remember you as the Divine Feminine, you heal in the separation. You heal that abandonment, that betrayal, that need for validation, the fear of not being enough, the fear of not being chosen. You heal that. How do you heal that, Divine Feminine? You heal that by not abandoning self, by not betraying self, by stopping looking outside of the self for the validation, by knowing that you are enough, that your light is so bright and it's not to be dimmed. The Divine Masculine heals in the reunion. There will be times where they pull back, but they are not pulling back to run from you. They are pulling back and the silence is there so they can integrate what was awoken by you. This love is deeper than anything of the 3D, than any love of the Matrix. This is love at the highest form because it is the one soul. And you are walking your path home to your true twin flame. And your true twin flame is you. I hope this helps anybody who is struggling on the journey. This was channeled in such a powerful way. There are some times when I get a really deep transformative message and I give you this beautiful message, and I hope, or I know within my heart, in my sacred heart, that you will use this to transform, to rise up, to transcend into the highest version of yourself. I send you so much love today. Much love, many blessings.